Today I made Jazzy Jam's pickled peppers by popular demand. These are so good in greens, cabbage, your beans, sandwiches. So you can make these yourselves too. Start by getting some julienne carrots, a couple of onions, one bag of yellow, orange, and red peppers, and a little bag of sweet peppers. And you just chop all of this up. And then the other ingredients are the little habanero or scotch bonnet peppers, which are really, really hot. So you really only need one. Take the seeds out, put gloves on when you chop these. The more you add, the hotter it is. I also use whole peppercorn, black pepper, white pepper, a little ginger, allspice, and minced garlic. And to this, you're going to have vinegar and about a cup of sugar, depending on how much you make. Here, that's a large bowl. So we have a big bowl. We've chopped our onions. So go ahead and chop your onions. And go ahead and crosswise chop your red, green. Look how pretty those are. And yellow bell peppers. And then you're going to just add that to the vinegar, peppercorn, garlic, salt and sugar mixture, a little allspice, and you're going to stir that. And it's going to take about 10 minutes to just kind of cook down, but you don't want to cook it too much because they're going to cook a little bit more when they're in the canning jar. So it looks about like this. And then you spoon them into your canning jars, which you have previously sterilized. And then you want to also cook them again after tightening the tops. This is how they get canned, and they can last for a long time. So you make sure to do that for 15 minutes and spoon them out, and that's about it. Now you have your pickled peppers. If you don't want to make your own, order them at PamelaHart.com and I will get them to you. Enjoy!